Today we're going to try to show the illusion of depth on our winter landscape background. That means we're going to make some things look near, close to us, and some things look far away. So we're going to use these two different cutouts to help us achieve that. The smaller tree goes near the horizon line, and the larger one goes near the bottom. That will give us the illusion that it's closer. So we're going to start with the small one and sort of dip it into this paint. And it's okay if it's a little bit uneven. It doesn't need to be perfect. And then we're going to place that near the horizon line, near the top, to make it look far away. Then I'm gently going to press down to make sure that all the paint comes off. We've got a nice little tree. You can find another space and do the same thing. If you need to, you can re-dip it into paint also. Then when I pull it off, it looks like I have two different trees that look far away. Then to make our larger tree look closer, we're going to also sort of dip that in paint. And again, it's okay if it's uneven. I kind of like that look better. And then we're going to place this more towards the bottom. So I like to sort of move it around a little bit and figure out where it would go. And then once I like the spot, I can place it down and sort of press down everywhere to make sure that that paint transfers, and then lift it off. I also kind of like the idea of overlapping a little bit, making one go on top of the other one. So now it looks like I've got some far away trees and some near ones. Then we're going to add one more detail today, and that's just the outline of a house. So it's just going to be a black silhouette of our house, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the trees. I'm going to dip it into paint and then create a stamp near the bottom of my page to make a house. So this one I'm going to want to cover a little bit more evenly, and then I can decide which direction I'm going to stamp that down, kind of like sideways, and I'll press down everywhere. And then I'll do the exact same thing with the roof. I'll dip that in my paint also, make sure I have a good coating, and then stamp that down right on top of the rectangle that I have. So now we've got a pretty nice landscape. At this point, we're going to set it aside to dry, and then we are going to add a few details the next time we're together.